For most people, decluttering your home or minimizing your possessions is going to take longer than one weekend. And this makes perfect sense. If it takes years and years to collect all of this stuff, then it's probably going to take more than one overnight to get rid of them. That being said, there are some things that we can do to speed up this process. And so what I want to offer today is 7 tips to speed up your decluttering process. 7 ideas. Number 1, try a clean sweep method where you're not focusing on one specific area, you're not focusing on one specific category. Just grab a box, grab a large bag, and just begin walking around your home, filling it with things that you know you can get rid of. Looking for easy, quick, low-hanging fruit, and then getting it out of your home wherever it needs to go. Number 2, I'm a big fan of setting deadlines. This worked well for me, just thinking to myself, okay, I have 1 hour, I want to get through this closet by the end of the day, I want to get through this room by the end of the weekend, I need to get through this area before my baby wakes up from the nap. Set a deadline and work towards it. For me, it always kind of pushes me forward and gives me a little bit of energy. Number 3, a third tip to make this process go a little bit quicker is donate more stuff. Don't fall into this trap that you need to try to sell everything and make back your money from all the clutter that you have. It just adds burden and time and stress. Find a local charity that you believe in, that you're passionate about, and just begin donating things there. A fourth tip, if you need to speed up this process a little bit, is to ask for help. Ask a family member, ask a close friend to come over and to help you sort through the different things. If you do, know that you need to trust them. Don't invite them over and then not take any of their advice, but bring someone over that you trust, that you know wants what's best for you, and then trust their opinion going forward. The 5th tip I wrote about in my book, The More of Less, and I call it leveling. Leveling is different than minimizing, but it can be very helpful. And what I mean by leveling is, if you're questioning some items, put them in a box, put a date on the box, and then set the box aside. For us, I put a lot of things in our basement with a date on it, and then 3 months later, 6 months later, I found the box and I looked at all the stuff and realized I hadn't missed any of it. It's a very helpful tool where if you're stuck and you're worried about getting rid of something and you find that it's slowing down your process, knowing, hey, let me just put it in the basement, let's see what happens. Leveling instead of minimizing. Number 6, tell a friend what you're doing. Declare it out loud. Tell a friend that you're going through your home and you're trying to declutter your stuff. You're trying to make a change and you're trying to minimize your possessions. I compare it a little bit to going on a diet. It's one thing to go on a diet and not tell anybody. It's another thing to go on a diet and tell everybody that you're trying to lose however many pounds it might be. It holds us a little bit more accountable, and we tend to be a little bit more focused on actually doing what we said when we've told other people that we're doing it. The 7th tip is this: remind yourself that intention is not action. That you may want to own less. You may see the benefits of decluttering your home and minimizing your possessions. But just wanting it is different than actually doing it. And so tell yourself over and over again, I need to get started. Just 5 minutes, 10 minutes. I need to start taking action. If you've been collecting things, if you've been accumulating possessions for years or decades, it is hard work going through your things, but it is worth it. And I know for sure that you can do it.